Managing a modern device fleet means more than just enrolling devices. It means making sure the right people have access to the right controls and nothing more. In Omnissa Workspace ONE UEM, role-based access control gives you the granular power to do exactly that. Whether you're a global enterprise with regional IT teams or a managed service provider supporting multiple customers, a one-size-fits-all admin account is a security risk. Workspace ONE UEM solves this with a flexible RBAC framework, built-in roles for common scenarios, and the ability to custom create roles tailored to your organization's exact needs. Let's start by looking at the built-in roles. Out of the box, Workspace ONE UEM ships with several pre-configured roles. Take the Device Manager role. It grants permissions to enroll devices, push profiles, and trigger remote actions like lock or wipe. But notice it has no access to app publishing, user management, or system configuration. That's intentional. A field IT tech can do their job without touching anything they shouldn't. Now let's create a custom role. We'll call this one Help Desk Read Only, designed for Level 1 support agents who need to look up device status but shouldn't be able to make changes. We'll give it a clear name and description so other admins know exactly what it's for. Under Device Management, you can see a long list of access options. We'll turn on Read Only at the top level of Device Management. You can see that most of the options beneath Device Management have become read-only, with a few exceptions. We'll save the role, and now it's available to assign to any admin in your environment. Now let's assign our new role. We're going to head over to Accounts and Administrators, and we'll create a new admin account for John Smith, a new help desk hire. Here in the Roles tab, you'll find a critical feature of Workspace ONE UEM's RBAC. You don't just assign a role, you assign it within an organization group. That means you can scope exactly which part of your device hierarchy this administrator can operate in. We'll assign our new Help Desk Read-Only role to John Smith and scope it to the Acme Corp organization group. Now John Smith can only see devices in that group, nothing above it and nothing in other regions. Now let's see what the experience looks like. We'll log in as John Smith. The dashboard loads, and John Smith can even view the device lists view. But you'll notice the More Actions menu is limited. Our new admin can even click on a specific device and see details about that device, including profiles and apps. However, if John Smith clicks into the Profile tab, you'll see that the radio buttons for all the profiles are grayed out. And the same is true for the Apps tab and the applications listed. And if our new admin clicks on Groups and Settings, he is denied all access because this role has no permissions there. Role-based access control in Workspace ONE UEM gives you the confidence that every admin in your organization operates with the least privilege they need, and not a permission more. Built-in roles for speed, custom roles for precision, and org group scoping for true enterprise-scale control. That's role-based access in Omnissa Workspace ONE UEM.